way, and then we'll cut it in half and kind of look and see what it looks like before we cut the whole thing in half. Okay, good morning, YouTube. Well, we're trying to get the backfilling done on the footers. So all this is just basically the footers of the garage. And so we're trying to get the backfilling done. But before we backfill, I wanted to put on Dimple mat, at least on the outside. And that'll just protect that from the rock, and any water that does get in there will drain quickly down to our rock where our former drain is. And yeah, that's about it. So these come in 8-foot sheets at Menards. That's not 8 foot.
7.
Is it 7 something? Well, we're gonna have to cut something off of it anyway. So
3 and I don't know.
Okay, so it's for an 8-foot basement. So that's what it is.
Yes.
So we're going to cut this in half and then screw it up around here, because one roll would do it if we cut it in half. So that's where we're at. So we're 4 foot to the very top of the wall, and the dirt line is not up that high, and it'll actually be lower as we get towards that corner even. So here we go. Yep. So that line I'm gonna screw it down to the bottom too.
What are you doing?
Okay, so we're lowering it down to where we have just enough to kind of go down below, and then when we pile, we'll screw it down here, but we'll also pile rock on that, and as soon as we do that, that'll be held fast where it is. And that's
Might be
it.
good, since the wind's going to blow 30 miles an hour today while we're trying to leave.
Yeah,
So
you know.
we probably ought to get going.
We found a new field sobriety test. Trying to cut a straight line in between those dimples. Okay. In case you missed our first dimple mat video, they come with these washers. You put your own screws in, and just put that on there, screwed in, and we had to hit the box buck. The plastic webbing in between there, but otherwise it goes really well. All right, I gotta go get a shovel to get the concrete off. Maybe a rock fall.
Radar!
Pointing just a little bit down. That's what's got to get. No, don't fall in there.
How far back in here do you want to go?
Got keys and ankles in there. cut this over and try to push it back. So let's just start right there.
It's on our line. And we'll fix that.
Hit that one. All right. Now I gotta get out of here.
Got any done, Amy Joe?
Oh yeah, ready?
Yep.
This on this way.
Right in the corner.
Oops, sorry, Dan. We are on supervisor duty today.
George is working.
What are we supervising?
We're supervising George. Playing with his toys.
Called in the gravel man?
Called in the gravel man.
Okay, so what's happening with gravel man?
Gravel man is backfilling the garage footers. We're getting a lot of clean rock right down around the former drain. Then after he gets this done, we'll probably start doing a load of rock by the Dimple mat and a load of shale on the outside and keep building that up. We also need to start putting straight rock on the inside. We won't put any shale inside. It'll all be rock. So that it does shale, yeah. Yeah, so basically the gravel is so that the floor will maintain contact with whatever's below it and not crack. So it'll float on the gravel will not compress so that it won't go away. A buddy of mine has a fairly new house and they poured a pad in the center, kind of like what we're doing, and then I guess probably pinned it to the outside, and it cracked all the way around that pad in the center because of not having enough good compacted earth around it. So it's probably hollow underneath the center part or under the edges, and solid in the center, and it just popped right through. I don't want that to happen.
This, it was a safe.
I was a lot farther away last time.
That-
Tried to fix it.
That's true.
We got a bigger chain.
Yeah, this chain's a little janky.
Going in.